Mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards are common classifications of keyboards. Do you know the difference between them? First, let's talk about mechanical keyboards. They have the following characteristics. The single-shaft body has a good knocking feel and a long service life. It can achieve multi-key and full key non-shock, and the keycaps can also be replaced. The disadvantage is that it is relatively heavy. It cannot be light and thin. It is not waterproof. The knocking sound is loud, and the price is high. Next up are membrane keyboards, which feature bright backlighting and are aesthetically pleasing. Ultra-thin, lightweight, small size, easy to carry. Tapping feels light and has a low pressure point. Knocking sound is small. Strong ceiling, splash-proof, high-cost performance. In contrast, the membrane keyboard has insufficient tactile feedback, single tactile feeling. Damaged keys cannot be replaced separately. Short service life and key conflicts cannot be avoided. The above is the difference between the two keyboards. If you are interested in the above content, please give us a like and follow. See you in the next issue.